One of my top requests is a way for having GNOME software displaying only Flatpak apps. Since someone asked me on YouTube if we can do that, here's an ugly tip that will do the trick. That's the default GNOME software in Fedora 30, that currently displays both Flatpak and RPM apps. Note that some things like the featured banners inside categories will be gone after that guide. But we don't have a choice really, since software doesn't give us a nice option to disable package kit. Moreover, we're going to lose system updates too, which is actually a good thing. So, let's open a terminal, and navigate where GNOME software keeps the plugins. Then, we only need to disable the package kit related plugins. We can either move them on another location, or completely remove them. For now, I will just back them up, so I can easily revert the changes. Obviously, if GNOME software gets an update, we should disable a package kit again. Software will understand the changes, and it will ask us for a restart for applying them. And that is pretty much all. Not everything works, but on front page we at least get the recent releases. On updates we can only see Flatpaks, but on installed section, we can see both Flatpak and RPM apps. Inside the categories, we can now only see Flatpak apps, which is what we wanted to achieve originally. Anyway, victorious music now!